Why do 90% of top students swear by these study habits? Let's uncover their secrets. First up, consistency is key. Create a study schedule and stick to it, even if it's just an hour a day. Small, regular study sessions beat last-minute cramming any day. Next, find your perfect study spot. Whether it's the library, a quiet coffee shop, or your cozy bedroom corner, make it distraction-free and comfortable. Don't just read. Engage with the material. Try summarizing what you've learned in your own words or teach it to someone else. It really helps the info stick. And remember, breaks are your friend. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. It keeps your brain fresh and alert. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask for help. Reach out to teachers, join study groups, or find a study buddy. Collaboration can make tough subjects easier and more fun. So, gear up, stay focused, and let's ace those exams. You've got this. Happy studying!
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support the March for Education Foundation.